7 Best Smart Door Locks. In today's video, we are going to explain here the top 7 best smart door locks reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. Wise Lock Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled smart door lock. 4.4 rating out of 5. Lock type, smart lock and keypad. Product specification. Provides the keyless door entry. Enable auto lock and auto unlock. Let know the door position detection. Easy setup with Alexa for non-experts. Lock or unlock door from anywhere using app. Number 2. August Wi-Fi 4th Generation Smart Door Lock. 4.2 rating out of 5. Lock type, biometric, Wi-Fi and smart lock. Product specification. Easy to install on any door. Can upgrade existing deadbolt. Grant access with the August app. Has automatic lock and unlock system. Works seamlessly with your smart home. Number 3. Level Bold Smart Door Lock. 3.9 rating out of 5. Lock type, deadbolt. Product specification. App-enabled smart lock. Very simple installation. Comes with safe and secure. Sleek and streamlined design. Smart lock for home invisibly. Number 4. Yale Assure Lock SL with Z-Wave. 4.4 rating out of 5. Lock type, keypad. Product specification. Unlock your door without keys. Lock the door pressing any button. Works with Alexa via compatible hub. Lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Replaces your existing deadbolt in minutes. Number 5. Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock. 4.2 rating out of 5. Lock type, keypad. Product specification. Can control Kwikset app. Comes with Wi-Fi enabled. Create up to 250 unique user codes. Connects directly to home Wi-Fi network. Receive notifications of your lock's activity. Number 6. Google Nest X Yale Smart Lock. 4.5 rating out of 5. Lock type, keypad. Product specification. Very convenient to install. Let someone in from anywhere. Keyless entry on the LED keypad. Secure smart lock for your front door. Get alerts when someone locks or unlocks. Number 7. Schlage & Code Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. 4.6 rating out of 5. Lock type, keypad. Product specification. Comes with built-in Wi-Fi. Built-in alarm technology senses. Create and manage up to 100 access codes. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Voice commands via Alexa Google Assistant. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.